Here we go, little video. Got a pair of goldfinches in there on eggs. Another pair of goldfinches waiting for them to go down. We've got some young canaries that I've bred already. A spare cock goldie. Those are in those flights there. The bird room there at the end here. We've got a pair of bullies. We've got 5 young in there. I don't think you can really see much at the minute, so no, they're in hiding. Right, so we're going here. I haven't finished this yet. It's all got to be done out. But when I bought the canaries, it was all like that. So a pair in there. I've got mother in there and another 3 young. A hen sitting on 5 eggs there, and another one sitting on another 5 eggs. So they all just got to all be lined out and all that, which I got the tip before, I ain't done it. I mean, so here we go, and that's what you got there. Doodle dirt, over and out.